Friends, it is your friend Lisa Mason Ziegler, and coming to you on this holiday weekend. I hope everybody is not as hot as I feel like I've been over this weekend working, cooler, but having an enjoyable time and celebrating our happy Independence Day, right, which is basically freedom, right? So hopefully everybody's enjoying. And friends, do we have a live show for you today? Look at the flowers behind us. And friends, if you didn't join us last week, we also have a new set. It's pretty dadgum amazing. We have a whole new wall of built-ins that is just taking our show experience up a few notches. And so I'm inviting you to join me at 12 noon Eastern Time inside my phone app for our Live Friday show. And the Live Friday show is really about what's going on my farm. We talk about today, for instance, I'm talking about what I'm still starting and those things you need to think ahead to be starting. Even for next spring, there's a couple of things that you need to get busy on, as well as what I'm starting for fall. I'll be demonstrating soil blocking, both the small blocker and the Swift 27 with the way that I start kale in that. And we have a really special today, y'all. This is undoubtedly our customer's favorite tray. These are hard plastic. We import these from England. They're amazing. They fit 100 small blocks, 16 large blocks, and I'm not doing the Swift blocker today, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm doing the 2-inch blocker and showing you how to start kale. These are 20% off. We don't even usually offer these in the app because the app's shipping for products is capped at $9.95, and these in fact cost more to ship, so we don't usually sell them on our app. But today you're getting a double dip. 20% off the green extra large trays, plus you don't pay that additional shipping. It's just $9.95 no matter how many you buy, y'all. This is a pretty big deal because if you're a flower farmer, this revolutionizes your, I can carry one tray with one hand. Anyway, I'll tell you about all that during the show. So 12 noon Eastern Time, you can comment app here if you want to get my phone app. It's totally free. You can surely watch the show on social media, but you can't participate in the giveaway. I'm giving away a $25 store credit. Let's talk about the dip today. If you were the lucky winner and you got trays for 20% off with that reduced $9.95 shipping, oh my gosh, what a deal, right? So you have to be in the app to be able to participate in that, as well as you have to be in the app to be able to converse with the other viewers. That's really part of the fun. So friends, I'm inviting you 12 noon Eastern Time. I go through those flowers. So I tell you what's going on in the farm, what I'm kind of doing. Then we go through the live harvest. What we actually harvested on our farm. Actually, it happened on Wednesday this week because of the holiday, right? And just show you what they look like and what it's all about. So I hope you're going to join me at 12 noon Eastern Time. You can either go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, download it. Again, it's free. The experience is so much better. We have tons of people that literally just love shopping on our app. It's just super convenient for mobile, right? And so get the app, or you can comment app here. And I just can't wait to show you guys. So I'm just going to give you a little bit more of a look at the set. So the set goes from right there. That's one setup. Then we have that middle section, and then we have down there. And friends, and then we have this is my old set over here. This little baby spot, right? So friends, we are thrilled. I can't wait. We're at this peak of the season. We're coming off of American Flowers Week, and we're just highlighting that and affirming it. And I can't wait to see you. I'll be watering soil blocks, making soil blocks, talking about what I'm starting now for fall and what I'm starting now for next year. So it's going to be a great show today. I hope you're going to join me. Comment app if you want me to DM you the direct link to download the app. Ciao.